Cleaning the Blueair Blue Pure 3-1-on-1 Max air purifier is essential for maintaining its performance and ensuring clean air. Start by turning off and unplugging the unit for safety. First, remove the pre-filter by twisting off the top cylinder. Vacuum it with a soft brush attachment or wash it in cold water without harsh detergents. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching. Next, check the main filter. Replace it every 6 to 9 months or when the indicator light turns red. Remove the old filter by pulling it out from the compartment. Then insert a new one, ensuring it fits securely. Don't forget to clean the air quality sensor located at the back of the unit. Use a cotton swab or soft cloth to gently remove any dust. Finally, wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth to keep it looking good. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Vacuum pre-filters weekly, wipe surfaces monthly, and change filters as needed. By following these steps, you can ensure your Blue Pure 3-1-1 Max continues to deliver fresh, filtered air for a healthier home environment.